Finally, chop 1 cup of parsley. I prefer using curly parsley for this recipe because it gives the end product a bit more volume. But if you choose to use flat parsley instead, it also works just fine and it will not affect the final taste of your chimichurri. Place the chopped parsley into a mixing bowl and move on to peeling 4 cloves of garlic. If you prefer a milder garlic flavor, start with 2 cloves and add more according to your taste preference. Finally, mince the garlic and add it to the mixing bowl with the parsley. Fresh red chili is optional, and depending on how much you like heat, you can either leave it out, use only half, or use the whole chili. If you choose to add some chili, first split the chili in half and remove the seeds. This can be done easily by pressing both sides of the chili to flatten it, before running a knife along the middle to remove the seeds. Discard the seeds and finely dice the chili. The best way to go about doing this is to first julienne the chili, then turn it 90 degrees and finely dice it. Then add it to the mixing bowl with the parsley and the garlic. To it, also add a teaspoon of dried oregano, a half teaspoon of dried chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. Following that, add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the full recipe, do check the description below. With a spatula, mix the ingredients together. Chimichurri is fantastic with churrasco or steak, but it also goes really well with other grilled meats and seafood. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers!